Let's start with problem number 3. Identifying and using the center of triangle. Now, as we said in our theorem, if the length of GE, this one here, if it is length 2x minus 7, and GF x plus 4, what is GD? Now, what I have to do first, I have to remember my theorem. My theorem says that if we have an angles, bisectors, and they are intersected at a point, which is we call the center of triangle. If I draw any lines that they are perpendicular on sides, okay, these lines will be equal in length. This is my theorem. So what does it mean? That means GE is equal to GF is equal to GD. G is my point of concurrency, is my center of triangle. This point G, if I draw a line perpendicular on the sides, these lines are equal in length. So that's mean GE will equal GF will equal GD. Now then, what does it mean now? It means like 2x minus 7 will be equal to x plus 4. 2x minus 7 is x plus 4. Now, by now, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then what, what I need to find? I need to find the value of x. So minus x minus x. So we have x minus 7 equals plus 4. Plus 7 plus 7. So x will be 11. Now I found x, but x is not the length of GD. The length of GD will be the length of GF or the length of GE. So I need to find the length of GF or GE in order to find the length of GD. So then, what is the length of GF? It's x plus 4.
15.
So yeah, so 11 plus 4, which is 15. So if I found this 15, this will be the length of GD. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay. Let's solve now another example here. Qn is 5x plus 36. Here we have a triangle. We have an angle bisectors that they are intersected at point PQ. These are the angle bisectors. This one, it cut. Or sorry, make it in black. This one, it cut the angle. And this one, it cut the angle. And this one, it cut the angle. These are the angle bisectors. Now, my theorem told me that if you draw lines starting from this point perpendicular on a side, starting from this point perpendicular on a side, starting from this point perpendicular on a side, they will be equal in length. So that's mean Qn is equal to QO and is equal, or its length is equal to Qn. So if Qn is 5x plus 36 and the Qm is 2x plus 51, what did I need to find? I need to find the QO. Now, from my theorem, as I told you, they are equal in length. So that's mean Qn will be equal to Qm. So that's mean 5x plus 36 equals 2x plus 51. Now, what did I need? I need to find the length of a QO. In order to find the length of a QO, I need to find the length of QN or QM. The length of QN or QM are represented by a variable x. So I need to find x, then evaluate x on the length in order to find the length. So here, minus 2x minus 2x. So then 3x plus 36 equals 51. Then minus 51 minus 51, minus 36 minus 36. So we have 3x equals 51 minus 36. This is 11, this is 4, 1, 15. So 3x is 15, so x will be 5. So what did I find now? I found x. This x, if I evaluate it on the expression that tell me or that represent the length of QM, I can find the length of QM. So here, after I find x, let's say that the length of QM is 2x plus 51. Just a second, please. So then QM is 2x plus 51. So I need now to evaluate x. So 2 times 5 plus 51. 10 plus 51 is 61. So the length of QM will be 61. If the length of QM will be 61, what's the length of QN will be?
61.
61.
QO
61.
61. So
61.
the length of QO will be 61. That's it.
Miss, problem 2 will not take it, correct?
It is possible for QP to equal 50. Explain. Here, no, because it is 2x plus 51, so it could be it must be greater than 51.
Teacher, QP must will be the sum of the angle of QK
QP
and
is not the angle, this is the QP.
QP.
This is a length.
The length of the the line.
Yeah, Q. This is a QP. I'm sorry. Okay. I thought that is one from my answers. QB, it could be equals 50. No. Because if
must be
the Q and yeah, no, it's the Q and 61, and these are Q 61. So no, it could be if Q and 61, so QP it could be greater than 61. Yeah, I mean like here, look at the distance. Look at this distance here. هلا if this, oh my god, if this is 61 and this one it could be 50. No, هلا if you from your eyes you will see that QB its length is greater than QN. From your eye, and here if you try to evaluate it or to round the distance or estimate the distance, you will find that QP, see here, I will clear. I look at QN and QP. Which is the longest, QP or QN?
No, QP.
QP. So QP is longest than QN. If Qn is 51, how it could be 50? It cannot be. It must be greater than 61, sorry. It must be greater than 61.
Yes.
Now, is it clear? This got it here?
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher.
And miss, for the questions in the final, they will be as the same as these questions. So if you want to solve the workbook, solve only these questions or the same as these questions. Don't solve other ideas.
Yes, miss. I'm doing like this.
Teacher, I have a question
Yes.
about what you said. For the problems that we didn't take it, like problems like this, you're going to ask us about it?
No, no, no. Only the
Okay.
problems that I give it to you this these periods here.
Okay, thank you, teacher.